to another side of that building ang in this video. This was in Taipei Buddha Garden. So, ayan, ang daming mga gift items, mga pasalubong dito guys. Yung mga Taiwan talaga, wala sa Divisoria, wala sa sa Baklaran, ganon. So, dito lang talaga siya. At syempre, marami dyan. May mga mabibigat, may mga magagaan lang, ganon. May mga pampaswerte, maganda din yan, mga pangregalo. Sa mga different events, katulad namin, sa Rayway kasi, sobrang busy ang mga tao. So, everyday, we're almost out, no, to see clients, to have events like that. So, part of that is we meet people and then they will invite us for the events like birthday, celebration, Thanksgiving, birthday, ano pa ba, mga binyag, mga kasal, mga ganon. So, and we have no time to go out anymore to buy gifts like that. Pero kami, since lagi kami sa ibang bansa, karamihan sa amin ay may mga nabibili ng mga abupot, yung mga ganyan, mga some stuff that we can use, parang stocks lang. So, anytime na may mga birthday, someone will invite us for a party or what, we can just choose from mga pinag-shopping sa iba-ibang country o 'di ba? Iba-ibang gamit sa iba-ibang country. Kasi pag nag-explore, pag nag-tour ka talaga, mai-enjoy mo. Marami kang mai-enjoy kasi parang hungry yung eyes mo to see those things that you cannot see here in your country in the Philippines. That's part of our life in Rayway International. So, ang gaganda lang talaga. They're really very, very nice. So, where we go sa shops, sa boutique, we pick something na pampasalubong. Mas yan, mga magagaan pang cellphone accessories. So, na pwede niyan pamigay-migay, yung mga ganon. Napaka-cute lang niya, magaan pa i-carry. So that's the good thing here in Rayway Life because not only that we have the product for us to enjoy we can live longer with Portier because this is Aura Life Stem Cells. And the company also gives us income in Singapore dollar 10% to 70%. Plus, we have the chance to go in different countries to attend international events. We stay there normally for 5 days, one day for event, and then the next.